Mathaa manini thutha wa munini wa president muthagathagia Rigathi Gachagua kuhagurwo ni mbunge ya Senate, riu mawakiri a Gachagua ni merekeire igoti-ini kiroko kia umuthi gutetia mutaratara uria urahuthikire kumuhagura.
The Senate could not accordingly go outside the timelines as set out in the Constitution.
Nake MUCIRITHANIA CHACHA MWITA kuma igoti rinene guku Nairobi nehire Gachagua mwihoko wa ihinda o ni thutha wake kurugamia itua riria rirakinyaniirio ni mbunge ya Senate ria kumuhagura.
The resolution by the Senate to impeach the Deputy President has been stayed. The status quo prevails. His Excellency Rigathi Gachagua is still the Deputy President of Kenya until the court hears and gives further direction on the application before it.
MWITA oigite ihoya ria Gachagua ni rionanitie mahoro thiini wa watho na mutaratara uria urahuthikire wa kumuhagura oro undu umwe na gukorwo ati undu uyu ni uguciriirie andu aingi aria mararumanirira naguo.
As again the codes have declared, right? First of all, it has raised significant issues of law. It's also generated huge public interest.
Aikinyaniria itua riake MWITA arugamirie kuhagurwo wa Gachagua oro undu umwe na kwamurwo kwa uria kuiyukia ithenya riake nginyagia tariki 24 mweri uyu hindi iria cira uyu kagwetwo.
Honorable Gachagua.
Ihinda-ini riu MWITA ni ahoire mucirithania munene Martha Koome amure acirithania aria meguthikiriria na gutuithania cira uyu.
As Deputy President.
Kuhitukira mawakiri yake Gachagua ni atetetie uria mutaratara wothe wa kumuhagura urateng'eririo undu umwe na kuiyuria ithenya riake.
Even a day is not finished yet. It gives a timeline within which an appointment of a replacement is supposed to be done. It gives a timeline within which the National Assembly is supposed to approve the nomination. And this timeline is 14 days and 60 days. We're far from it. We're far from it. So I don't expect, there's no constitutional crisis. Because already we have the Deputy President. He's present.
Oroho Gachagua oigite ni raimirwo mweke wa gwitetera bunge-ini ya Senate. Ihoya ria Gachagua riukite thutha wa mbunge ya gibururi guikia kura na kuhitukia kwamurwo gwa Professor Kithure Kindiki kuoya ithenya riake.
The appointment itself is a process. It's a process. And this, so we have got the orders which came in at 1358, right? Before the swearing in. So you see, the swearing in has not taken place. So this order has stayed whatever process which was going to lead to the appointment.
Kugina kwa igoti ria kirugoya ni rirugamite munini wa president mwamure Professor Kithure Kindiki kuyukia wabici ya munini wa mutongoria wa bururi.
The Constitution requires that a person nominated for the position of the Deputy President or the President under Article 137 of the Constitution must meet certain requirements, and at the very least he must not be a state officer. Professor Kithure Kindiki, as we know as at now, he's still serving the Republic of Kenya as the Minister or the Cabinet Secretary in charge of Interior Security.
Itua riri rikinyaniirio thutha wa David Mathenge na Peter Kamotho kwandikithia cira makiregana na itua ria mbunge ya Senate ria kuhagura Gachagua. Kameme TV gikuhe horo gitao njeta gitau wa Wanjikũ.